Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please join our family by subscribing. Now to the video. Are your mornings holding you back from crushing your day? You might be making some simple mistakes that seem harmless, but are actually draining your energy and focus. In today's video, we're exposing the 10 common morning habits that are ruining your productivity and overall mood. Stick around to learn what they are and, most importantly, how to fix them. 1. Hitting the snooze button. It may feel satisfying, but it fragments your sleep and leaves you groggy and disoriented when you finally wake up. How to fix it? Set your alarm to a realistic time, and put your phone or alarm clock across the room so you have to get up to turn it off. Try using an alarm that mimics natural light to help you wake up gradually. 2. Skipping breakfast. Your body has fasted overnight, and skipping breakfast slows down metabolism, impacting concentration and energy levels throughout the day. How to fix it? Plan easy, healthy breakfasts like overnight oats, smoothies, or eggs with whole grain toast. Even something as simple as a piece of fruit and a handful of nuts can make a difference. 3. Checking your phone. First thing, immediately exposing your brain to emails, news, and social media triggers stress and anxiety, preventing you from easing into your day with a clear mind. How to fix it? Try to resist the urge to check your phone for the first 30 minutes of your morning. Instead, opt for activities like stretching, journaling, or simply making a cup of coffee mindfully. 4. Overloading your schedule. Cramming too many tasks into your morning can leave you overwhelmed, stressed, and less productive as the day progresses. How to fix it? Prioritize the top to -3 tasks that absolutely need to get done in the morning and save the rest for later. Use a planner or a to-do list to keep things realistic. 5. Skipping exercise. Missing out on movement in the morning can leave you sluggish, reducing your energy levels and motivation for the day. How to fix it? You don't need a long workout. Even a 10-minute stretch or walk can get your blood flowing and help you feel more energized. If time allows, aim for a quick HIIT session or yoga. 6. Ignoring hydration. After hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Starting your day without water can cause fatigue and headaches. How to fix it? Drink a full glass of water as soon as you wake up. Add a slice of lemon or a pinch of salt for extra electrolytes. Keep a water bottle near your bed as a reminder. 7. Rushing through your routine. Rushing to get out the door or into your work creates a chaotic mindset, leading to stress and forgetfulness. How to fix it? Set up your morning the night before by laying out clothes, prepping meals, or making a to-do list. Build in some buffer time to move through your routine calmly. 8. Neglecting personal hygiene. Skipping or rushing through personal hygiene affects your mood, confidence, and overall well-being, which impacts productivity. Productivity. How to fix it? Dedicate a few minutes to personal care. Whether it's brushing your teeth, washing your face, or grooming, you'll feel more refreshed and ready to tackle the day. 9. Skipping planning. Not having a clear plan for your day leads to disorganization and wasted time, making it hard to prioritize tasks. How to fix it? Spend just 5 minutes reviewing your goals and to-do list for the day. This helps you stay focused and on track, reducing decision fatigue later in the day. 10. Negative self-talk. Starting your day with thoughts like, "I'm already behind" or "I can't handle today," sets a negative tone that follows you throughout the day. How to fix it? Practice positive affirmations like, "I'm in control of my day" or "I have everything I need to succeed." Replace self-doubt with confidence-boosting statements. Now that you know which habits to avoid, which one are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. For more tips on living your best life, let's take control of our mornings together.